Hello guys, welcome to Empower It channel. So as I said in this video, we are going to learn about using GitHub for web hosting. So just go to www dot or https github.com and you will be having a sign up form where you write your username and it will check if the username is available or not, and email and password, and then sign up for GitHub. So just verify the account and join for a free plan. So just join for a free plan. And you have to fill some information here. What kind of work do you do mainly? So if you are a student, select student or software engineer, teacher or anything, just select what you are. So I do my own thing. Let me select here. You, you like that. And how much programming experience you have. If you don't have, then none, a little, moderate, a lot. I'll be having a moderate amount. What do you plan to use GitHub for? So host a project, you can select multiple. So I am just create host a project only I am using for this. I am collaborating with my team and school and products or learn to code. You can select only up to 3. So I'm just selecting this, and I am interested in languages like full stack development, okay, now HTML and CSS, so that when you having the issue, it will be connected with the community, so you can get the answers to your issues. JavaScript. So that's it for now, and complete the setup. And I need to verify my email address. I will be verifying my email address now. So I got an email from GitHub, so I am just verifying my email address, and my email is verified. Now I am going to start a new project here. So create a repository, and now I am going to create a new repository or project, and it will be demo1 as a repository name, demo website, so that you can see how the hosting will be done. And it will be public, and just keep it at default and just create repository. And you will be having some option here. Get started with creating a new file or uploading an existing file. So just click on this uploading an existing file. Now you can choose the file which you want to upload. So I will be choosing this index and contact HTML files to upload. So it will take some time for upload, and my two files, index.html and contact.html, has been uploaded. Now I will just hit the commit changes here. So now I have successfully uploaded the contact.html and index.html to the hosting, and now I want to create a link so that I can share that link, and by clicking that link my website should be loaded. So I'm just going to the settings, and in the settings I'm just making this none to master branch. So the page will be reloaded, and you can see your site is ready to be published at https://empoweryou.github.io.demo1. So if you head over to that page, you will see an error 404. This is there isn't a GitHub page site here. So just wait for some minutes. After 5 minutes, you can recheck this website. Your website will be live. So let us wait for 5 minutes, and after that we will load this website, and so that you can see the website. Now you can see here your site is published. It is showing that your site is published. But when I am going to click and open in a new tab, you can see here the site is not found. So just wait for some more minutes, and after that you can check your website as it will be live. So just wait for some more minutes. It may take more than 5 minutes, an hour, to publish our website. And so now my website is published. So you can see here, this is the content of my website. So now I want to change or modify my code. So is this take that much time as 1 hour, 2 hour to change in website? The answer is no. It will be changed within 5 minutes. If you modify your code, it will be reflected within 5 minutes. So I'm just going to code section here and just going to open index.html, and I will be editing the index.html here, edit this file. And as you can see here, I have commented the form, so I'm just removing this form, removing the comments, so that the form will be also published in my page. So after that, just uh, click the commit changes, commit directly to the master branch, as we have hosted in master branch. So you have successfully updated your HTML file. So you can edit your HTML file here in this GitHub, or you can manually uh, update your HTML file in Atom, and you can upload that HTML to the GitHub. So you can do as you wish. So now I will be going to the settings, and after going to setting, then I will be going to this link. So as you can see here, there is nothing changed in the website. So just refreshing the web page, so you can see your form is updated. So you can see the form here. So by just updating in the index.html directly, we can update or change the website content. And now I want to show you something, that let me just go and you can see the changes here. Whichever I have made changes, I have removed that comments, so it is showing that I have removed this comment. So I'm just going to delete this HTML file, index.html. As I am having content.html, I can publish my website. We need a HTML file for publishing our website, so I am having a content.html file. So I am just going to settings, and your site is ready to be published at, it will be showing that your site is ready to be published, so it will take some time for publishing. So after deleting that index.html, I am having content.html, and my site is published here. Now I am just opening this website. So you can see here page is not found. You are getting that page is not found. The main reason for this is, if you know C programming, then you might have noticed that void main is a main function. It should be there in a C program. Without main function, we cannot create a C program. So similar to that, in a website, we should have index.html file. Without index.html file, no a website can be hosted. So for that reason, we are getting the error that page is not found. So I'm just going and uploading my index.html. Upload files. In that, I'm going to upload index.html now. So I'm just uploading index.html. Without index.html, website cannot be published. And index.html is uploaded and commit changes. So the index.html has been published successfully, uploaded successfully, and I'm just going to the settings. And you can see here your site is ready to be published, so it will take some minutes. So while uploading your file or website for the first time, it will take longer time, but while updating your HTML or uploading some other files, it won't take that much time. It will be in 5 minutes. You can see see the reflection in your website. Whatever the update you made, it will be shown in your website. My website, after uploading the HTML, index.html has been published. So I'm just going to that website. So you can see here there is no form here. The reason is because I have updated the HTML in the GitHub, but I have uploaded the HTML file from my web development folder. So it is not updated. Just only in GitHub I have updated. So my recommendation for you is, so just update in the Atom only and just upload the files, so that you can see the live preview of what it will be reflecting. So just upload or update the index.html or any HTML or any file in the Atom and in local, and after testing all the functionality, and then just upload to the GitHub, so that you can make your website working perfectly. So as you can see here, you can also upload a folder in GitHub. So for that, just go to upload files, choose your files, and just drag this and drop it here. So it will be uploaded. So the image folder has been uploaded, and just hit commit changes. So you can see here images folder is there, and inside that image folder we are having download.png, which is of the Facebook logo. So by this we can include a folder, image folder in our web page. So you can also search people here. So just search Sajan K, and under user you can see here, and you can follow me. So just follow me, and you can also follow the people whose username you know, so that you can get all their repository. You can see their repository. So congratulations, you have successfully uploaded your first website and in GitHub hosting. So please share and like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any queries, then comment it down, and also join my telegram group, and link is provided in the description. Thank you.